Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to see a job post for healthcare department. There are huge openings for healthcare related professions, and as you can see here, you can search for a specific profession which you have done. You have if you have experience for the exact location in Canada as well, and you can see for a personal caregiver. They have opening in the location BC Richmond. It's the same profile BC Delta and PSW and LC on Ontario. There are huge openings for healthcare unit, and there are, as well as they have openings in Quebec too. As you can see here too, for registered nurse, for field nurse, case manager, there are huge opening. I'm going to walk you out for two professions as of now. For one is for a personal caregiver, and another one is for the registered nurse. And what are the details, and what are the experience, and what are the qualification they required? Requires only specific limited minimum experience. So don't skip this video so that you will not understand. As of now, this is a first time I'm posting healthcare job, so please refer to your friends, share in your social media too, because Canada requires millions and millions of job opening. For latest update, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In our channel, I do upload tons of new videos regarding immigration process, job post, and new latest update about immigration for countries like Canada, UK, Australia to save your valuable money. And but don't forget to please share, like, and comments me below to love to hear from you. And now I'm going to have a new announcement for our viewers. Finally, now we are stepping into a social media Instagram platform. Please follow that too for latest update. I will be updating in that too, and we'll have a interaction each other and share our thoughts with the people, and in order to help them, and the link is in the description box below. Okay, first we're going to see for a personal caregiver job. So this is in Ontario, Canada. And second one, we're going to see for a post for registered nurse. So what are the required details according to their country norms? What are the expectation and education experience they required, and how easy it is to apply for this? So first we'll see for a personal caregiver job. What are the job descriptions and education and background experience they required? Okay, this is a location is Richmond, and job description for flexible caregiver position available in Richmond, BC. This is in British Columbia. Education they require is healthcare assistant HCA. Diploma is an asset but not required. If you have education in related courses, if you have done HCA course, you will be eligible for this. Availability for both the AM and PM shifts, for morning and evening shifts are available. So this is a job description about the company and your profile. You just have a walkthrough. I have given the link in the description box below. And we value our patient caregiver with this the benefits they are telling us: regular work schedule and assignments, fair industry wages for critical work you do, and then company sponsored benefit for health and dental benefits for you and for your family. This is a great thing. And paid orientation and paid training, and efficient work schedule with more care times and less travel, opportunity to grow in your career, then easy access to your manager and scheduler who listen and support the important work you do. Okay, this is a benefit they are given. Now we'll see what are the qualification they required. Job qualification: completion of formal aggregated caregiver training program, and combine of an equivalent education and experience preferred, and driver license and a vehicle is an asset that's not mandatory. As Canada's largest and the biggest home care company, this is our biggest largest company. Join us, we continue our 50 plus years of supporting caregiver to make being the difference a caregiver. So this is the job qualification they required. They didn't ask you for huge experience. This is a great time. If you have healthcare related courses, if you have done, please start applying for this and share to your friends too who are completed their graduation. Second one, going to see about registered nurse. Okay, this is a profile for your registered nurse. This link is also in the description box below. Don't skip the video. Please watch this till the end so that you will have a idea and clarity before applying. So what are the required details? After that, you click the link and just go enter into the site and start applying where you are. And this is the job location. It is in Quebec for a registered nurse, Roberel location. This job post was posted on December 21st, 2020. I hope it was yesterday. And they required experience, years of experience, only one. They didn't require huge experience. And the division is Bayshore Specialty RX. And number of position, only one opening. Job type is permanent. Employment status, it is a contract base. For employment status as of now, I hope so. And language is French, and English is an asset if you have French, because Quebec country is a French oriented nation. So English is an asset. City is Roberel, Quebec, as we have shown. This is a contact ID of HR. If you're in Quebec, you can start applying for this job. Okay, this is the overview of that company and of your profile. What is going to be happen? I just short this, and this is a job summary. This to be, you can have a walkthrough before applying. You are currently looking to fill a registered nurse who decide to work on a casual or permanent contract basis with a parasitical company division. There will be a flexible hours with minimum of 2 days a week in a infusion clinic, and additional hours with a home client located in Robarrel. So this is the job summary. You can keenly have a walkthrough by clicking the link. After that, start applying. So their healthcare related requirements will be quite complex. You can have a check before applying. So now we'll see the duties and the roles and responsibility. First one, they have given develop and review nursing care plan that are individualized to each client. And then second one, conduct patient health assessment and medication administration teaching. Obtain for access through peripheral intuitions or central line access, PICC, IVAD, etc. And then prepare and administer a variety of specialized intravenous or injectionable pharmacological treatment. And then provide client care by utilizing the skills of observation, assessment, nursing, consulting, counseling, healthcare, teaching, and reporting even to immediate superiors or related stakeholder. Then perform routine nursing duties in accordance with the company policy and procedure and provincial body standards. Then provide patient-centered care according to the established care plan or medical directive. Perform specialized nursing procedure for which training and current competency has been demonstrated and completed. Observe and document client conditions. Act as a resource to the other infusioners by providing support and direction as needed. Understand and implement infection prevention practices. Participate in ongoing internal or external continuing education activity. Adhere to Bayshore policy and procedure. Participate in quality activities and continuous improvement initiative in keeping with company's quality management services. Participate in proactive health and safety activities while performing all duties. Is responsible to notify immediate supervisor of any health or safety risk or concerns. Maintain confidentiality of client and corporate information. Complete other tasks as requested. So these are all the job roles and responsibility. Now we're going to see for experience. As we have they have mentioned at the top, they required only 1 years of experience. Let's see what are the other required details. Experience in acute care and or with administering specialty parasiticals. Experience with home care is an asset. Critical care, example ER or ICU, infusion clinic or oncology experiences preferred. Exceptional referral for initiation skills experience with the central line IVD, PICC, etc. is an asset. Okay, now we'll see for education. In education, what are the required details they have given? Graduate from an accredited nursing education program with a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing, BSN degree or equivalent. And then current registration in good standing and professional nursing regulatory bodies. Current basic cardiac life support BLS certification required. Current advanced cardiac life support aggregation is an asset. So these are the education background they required, and other information they have given: exceptional client assessment skills, strong communication skills, ability to manage the response relationship with exceptional customer service, exceptional interpersonal skills and ability to handle difficult situations, and you need to have a valid travel license. Remaining you just have a walkthrough. I hope this job post will be useful for you. If you like this video is informative, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to comment me below about this video, and huge videos are coming up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified, and huge job related videos, immigration videos are coming up for 2021. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Thank you, thanks for watching.